My name is Bevan Pilling. My company is Self-Build and Contract Floors Limited, and today we're in Nottinghamshire installing a continental underfloor heating system and a flooring screen. Okay, this is one of our most common types of installation. It's a ground floor installation using a boiler. So the floor makeup underneath this particular property is a block and beam floor. Over the top of that we have a damp-proof membrane, then a rigid insulation board, 100mm in this particular case, which is pretty standard. Then we have a separating membrane, which is the black membrane, which is underneath the pipes. And then we lay the pipes on top of that, and the pipes are stapled directly through the membrane into the rigid insulation board using the tackers supplied. So that's the continental underfloor installation complete. Now it's time to set up the datums for a nominal 50mm flooring screen, which we're going to install next. The key things to consider when you're installing an underfloor system is A, the design, B, take your time and plan out the system before you start installing. Make yourself a gauging stick or a measuring stick to ensure that you install the pipes at the spacings or the centres that they've been designed at, and use a top quality supplier such as Continental Underfloor.